Well, tonight's video is about Rony and her new toy. So I'm going to record her so we can enjoy some animal involvement. She got a new ball. Get it, Ron. Bring it here, Ron. That's our pile of toys right there on the blanket. Get it, Rony. She don't know which one to play with. Get your ball, Ron. Rony, get your ball. Get it. Get it. You're going to do this for 5 minutes. Going to keep it going. Get it, Rony. No, she's getting her ball. She's just chowing. We cannot keep her in toys. This is her pile of misfits we haven't thrown away. I tried to sew them up, but guess what? She broke them right back open again. She is hysterical when she gets a new toy. We usually leave it in a bag and let her try to get it out, but she couldn't get this ball out because it was too big. I just can't believe how much she's gnawing on that. Get it, Rony. Get it. She's taking a break. I love how her back feet spread out from behind her. Get it, Rony. Get your ball, Ron. What are you doing? That's called slacking. What are you doing?
Get the ball.
Get the ball. Get the ball, Rony. We're trying to find an adorable toy that would outlast her teeth.
I think this is a T-Saurus Rex and basketball.
Well, get it, Ron. Bring me your ball. Get your ball. Mike will help her out a little bit. Uh-oh. Michael's got her with the ball. This is our nighttime, late night routine when he gets off work. She waits for him to come home. She got lazy again. Just to have her playmate. That's her other toy. That was her very first toy. That one laying on the floor. What is that, a reindeer?
What is it? Squeaking. Sounds like
Look how she lays. So instead of makeup treats, she likes her toy treats. I just had to share just one good video of her because she cracks me up with new toys. Stick her toy in a bag, Michael, and see if she'll get it out. This is what we do to her. We'll bring home a new toy, and we'll stick it in the bag, and then she has to get it out. She's good with that nose of hers. She's trying to dig it. I think she's going to rip the bag on that one. She took the whole bag in the bone. You should have put the squeak toy in it. Not the bone. She even chews them through blankets. Yeah, put her squeak toy in it. Rony. She is going to be hysterical at Christmas. Get it, Ron. You're going in the wrong end. There it is. Get it. She tries.
Get it out there. Get that.
I think she likes the bag.
I don't want to eat the bag.
She's not. Usually she sticks her nose in it and she'll pull it out for the first time, especially if it's usually one of her furry creatures. Get it, Ron. Get your ball, Ron. Get your ball. You know, she wants the bag. It's noisy. She loves noisy toys. Rony, say bye. Say gotta go. So see you on YouTube. So I had fun. Look up. Say bye, looky. Ron, come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Rony, come. Sit. High five for love. High five for kisses. Good girl. Say bye.